The purpose of this particular assignment was to continue to familiarize ourselves with PowerPoint and the many features that it has to offer. For this week's assignment, we did not have an assignment to edit, but rather had to create our own PowerPoint presentation and be creative. We needed to not only create a fictional company describing its history and the company's purpose, but also to decide on social media marketing strategies that could benefit the company to increase brand awareness and establish a stronger online presence. By using the many skills related to PowerPoint in order to design a visually appealing presentation, we were able to incorporate multiple skills that could benefit us in our future careers. In this particular PowerPoint, some of the features that I used were themes, where I chose a theme that I used to remain consistent throughout the presentation. It kept a consistent background color, font styles, and things of the sort. I then learned to create sections for my information, and I went to, on the home page, there's sections. You were able to add or rename once you had already created that section. I chose company purpose, company history, company projects, and social media campaign. And once I was done working in a particular section, I was able to collapse the section or expand it. As I was inputting information, I used the outline view. And for that, what I was able to do was input my information and better organize my thoughts. It was much easier to jump between ideas in outline view as opposed to going from slide to slide. I used the paragraph alignment tools by either increasing or decreasing the indent to create sub-bullets underneath each of my main ideas. And once I was done inputting all of this information, I inserted clip art. I created a logo for the company, which I named Homeground. And then I used various clip art images throughout the presentation. On this particular slide, I had gone to layout and changed from title and content to to content, as I wanted a larger clip art image on this page. And it was then able to match up the sizing of the placeholder with the image to be more visually appealing to the audience. Once I was done with that, I went to transitions and I chose the fade transition from slide to slide. And then after that, I was able to select different text, so from my titles to my subtitles, and add different animation effects to make it more appealing to the audience. Once I was done with all of this, I reviewed my slideshow to make sure that all of the animation, that the transitions, all looked visually appealing, double-checked all of my spelling, and I was able to review that as well, just to make sure that all of the grammar was correct before submitting my final draft. I found this particular presentation and this assignment to be very beneficial, as I never used outline view to input any information in a PowerPoint presentation. I found it really useful in trying to organize my thoughts, and after learning how to use sections, I was able to bounce my ideas around and still keep myself very organized.